Katie, and welcome to Real Beauty Bosses TV. On this channel, you can check out official trainings and interviews by the Real Beauty Bosses for the Real Beauty Bosses on growing and expanding your salon and spa. Today, I am interviewing Roberto, who did how much? 16,000 in a single month?
In a single month, yes.
As a solo.
As a solo esthetician.
Holy heck. How was our journey to get there? I know that primarily it was from the advertisement that you did with us, correct?
Correct, absolutely.
Awesome. Let's go ahead and just go from square one. How do you feel the process of getting that ad up and going felt?
Extremely easy.
Okay.
It was a very easy process because I was able to understand what I was doing. I was learning how to put an ad together with you guys, and I knew exactly what I needed for future reference. So it was an exciting process because I know it was going to work. I saw that everybody was having results every step of the way. Having the team backing you up, you know, once you see your ad up, it's just exciting because, oh my God, I'm putting myself out there. And then when you started getting leads coming in and people booking because they're interested in what you do, it's even more exciting.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
How long did it take you to actually start seeing results from this advertisement going live?
I mean, I would say the same week that it was up, I was already getting leads in. And then once the ad was very stable, it just kept going. It's the same ad is still going for me.
And it's been how long?
It's been since October.
So about 5 months.
Yeah, about 5
exact
months.
Same ad, exact same offer.
Exact same offer.
Love it. Awesome. How much revenue do you think has come directly from that advertisement so far?
I would say around 48 or 50 since October, November up until today.
And about how many new clients do you think that is?
Over 125.
125 clients from a single ad.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. And that practically 10x what you were doing in your business.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Awesome. So what we'll do real quick is we're going to walk through this campaign that you use to go from $5,000 a month to $16,000 a month.
Yes.
And 3x your ticket price.
Correct. Yes.
Mind blown.
Mm-hmm.
So first and foremost, right off the bat, I can see this is the ad that's on Facebook that people actually see when they're scrolling. And it says 50% off here. Do you feel like giving any sort of a discount up front has given you a lower quality person coming through the door?
Absolutely not.
Why do you feel that is?
Because with your help, I've been able to create an offer that it's beneficial for the client, but also beneficial for me. So it's a win-win situation. I never thought that I was going to lose money ever, and I've not. So I'm very happy about it.
You've made a lot more money, right?
Absolutely, yes.
Love it. And so if they actually wind up clicking on this ad, they're taken to this other page with a bunch of information about your service, what you're going to offer, your history, and then loads and loads of reviews from happy clients. And this is where they're given the opportunity to actually give their name, email, and phone number in exchange for this offer. Would you say that everyone you've gotten off this ad has gone through this process, or have you gotten people other ways?
I've gotten a lot of clients that have seen the ad and have decided to contact me directly. And they mentioned that they have seen the ad on Facebook and they're still interested. And I absolutely going to welcome them anyways. They asked me if they are going to get the offer or the special, and I said absolutely. I'll honor it. And that has turned into a bunch of new clients that have bought packages and refer people and whatnot. Yeah.
Awesome. Just ballpark, how many clients would you say came from not filling out the form but still seeing the ad?
I would say in the past 5 months, like around 40.
Over 40. Mm-hmm. Wow, that is a huge number.
Yeah.
And so outside of that, the people that do fill out this form, what happens after they fill it out?
Well, they get a welcome email and a text message, and some of them respond to that text message right away, which makes it a lot easier for me to call or to text them. And if not, I just start the process of calling, and I leave voicemails. I send a very warm and nice text message as well, and I just try to get in touch with them. Once I have them on the phone, they already know what to expect. They know what I'm going to be talking about.
Yeah. And
it's a lot easier. And I always say, I'm here to answer all your questions. How can I help you? I let them talk, and we go from there.
Awesome. How important do you think it is to call as soon as possible versus relying on those automated text messages to get the booking?
Well, it's extremely important because they want to be catered to.
Yeah.
And they want to be able to say, hey, somebody wants to help me. They, this is something that I want to do for myself, but I need that interaction. And when they call, when I call them, it's, sometimes they're a little bit hesitant, but once you introduce yourself with high energy, you keep everything super friendly and very professional, they just take the time to really listen what you have to say and what to offer and what you have to offer, and they love it.
So when you do run the ad campaign, when someone enters in their name, email, and phone number, we actually set up a dashboard where you can see all of their information and you can follow up with them from there and actually see how many people you're booking. So we're looking at your dashboard right now, and I can actually see that since you started the ad, you've gotten about 190 leads come in.
Yes.
How many of those do you feel, or what do you feel was the quality of those leads that were opting into your form?
I would say the vast majority of it was really, really, really high quality. Actually, clients that have a lot of buying power that you would never thought that they were going to, go to an ad or get a service from an ad, because they can pay 3 times of what I'm offering. And they just, that's where the human connection is there. The ad, it's extremely very attractive, and they just go for it. Everybody is always looking for services.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter what. And this ad and this platform has helped tremendously.
Awesome. Love it. Bye guys, thanks so much for coming to the Real Beauty Bosses TV channel. I'm so happy that we got to do this with Roberto today and provide you some amazing value.
Yeah, so if you guys are looking for more content like this, make sure to like this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe bell. And if you're looking for more training and information like this to help you grow your salon or spa and get to $10,000 a month, $25,000, $50,000 a month, or $100,000 a month, click the link below this video where you'll get access to a free training where we walk through exactly things that we've done with Roberto in full detail, and we'll see you on the other side.
Take care.